everyone. You are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. PM Narendra Modi unveiled Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Statue Central Vista project. Tribute pour in after Queen Elizabeth II death. Cabinet meeting today may be a big decision regarding requirement examinations. Virat Kohli become only second Indian player to smash 100 T20 sixes. Now news in details. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday unveiled the revamped statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and the Central Vista project, the 28-feet statue, which has been installed in the historic canopy facing the India Gate, was inaugurated after the newly christened Kartavya Path. According to Modi, if India has followed the path shown by Subhash Chandra Bose, then the country would have reached a new high. Sadly, he had forgotten, calling it a symbol of the nation's independence. To him, Modi added that the statue is completely hand-sculpted using traditional techniques and modern tools. Indian space startup Agnikul Cosmos announced that the government of India awarded them the patent of having indigenously designed and 3D printed a one-of-its-kind rocket engine, dubbed Agnilead. The engine is said to be the world's first single-piece 3D printed rocket engine and was successfully test-fired in early 2021. Elaborate on their achievement, Srinath Ravichandran, co-founder and CEO of Agnikul, said, "Rocket engines usually have thousands of parts in them, starting from injector that inject fuel into the engine, to the cooling channel that cool the engine, to the igniter that is necessary to ignite the propellants." Queen Elizabeth II, the longest reigning monarch of the United Kingdom, has passed away in age of 96. Queen had been in bad health and had heavily cut down on public appearance. She was at the Balmoral Castle in the Aberdeenshire, Scotland. The Department of Justice said that it is possible that there are more such documents in other places owned by Trump and went on the call at a potential national security risk that need investigation. In case of Queen Elizabeth II herself, it took around 16 months since she became queen to organize the event, which was attended by the major dignitaries and major leaders from all parts of the world. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. Chief Minister Dhami has already told about it that the government can get the stuck 8 requirement examination of the Subordinate Service Selection Commission conducted by the Uttarakhand Public Service Commission and other requirement institutions. Uttarakhand cabinet meeting will be held today evening. In the meeting, amidst the ongoing paper leak controversy in the state, the government can take an important decision regarding Group C requirement examinations. A cabinet meeting will be held under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami at Secretariat at 4:30 p.m. on Friday. A major accident took place on the Badrinath National Highway on Friday morning. The taxi of the passenger of the Mumbai fell into the ditch near the Brahmpuri Ashram on Friday morning. There were 6 people in the taxi, which was going from Haridwar to Badrinath. 3 people are seriously injured in the accident who have been sent to the hospital, while 3 people were injured. On information, the police administration team reached the spot and started a rescue operation. But by then, 3 people had died. We'll be back after a short break.
हमारा इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. This year, admission will be given in 9,053 MBBS seats in the state, while 2,900 seats for BDS. After the release of NEET exam result, the Institute of Medical and Technology and Training had started preparing for counselling. Its date will be announced soon. This time, MBBS will also be taught in the 9 new government medical colleges, so 900 seats have been increased. 17 lakh students of UP have passed in NEET UG 2022. BAMS has 563 seat in 8 government sector and 5010 seat in 70 private sector. BHMS has 828 seat in 9 public sector and 200 seat in 2 private sector. BUMS has 128 seat in government sector and 670 seat in 11 private sector. In the Sonali Fogart case, the Goa government has taken major action on Friday. In this case, the controversial Crulius Club was demolished by the government this morning. This restaurant was demolished for violating CRZ rules. This is the same club where the video of Sonali Fogart partying surfaced. It was in the club that Fogart was given drugs, after which he had died a few hours later. Restaurant owner Edwin Nunes was also arrested in the connection with Sonali Fogart's death. He was later granted conditional bail. A total of 4 arrested were made in the case. Olympic gold medalist javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra on Thursday achieved yet another historic feat as he became the first India to win the prestigious Diamond League final title here. Chopra began with a foul but jumped to the top spot with a throw of 88.44 meter, his 4th career best in his second attempt, and that turned out to be his winning effort. He had 88.00 meter, 86.11 meter, 87.00 meter and 86.60 meter in his next 4 throws. The 24-year-old Indian superstar is now the Olympic champion, World Championship silver medalist and Diamond League champion. Virat Kohli on Thursday completed 100 sixes in T20 first cricket, becoming the second Indian batter to hit a century of sixes and the 10th overall player to achieve this landmark. Virat accomplished this landmark during India's final Super 4 clash against Afghanistan in ongoing Asia Cup 2022. Virat finally completed his match-anticipated 74th century. He smashed an unbeaten 122 in just 61 balls with 12 balls and 6 sixes. Now Virat has a total of 104 sixes, which is the 9th highest in T20 first cricket. ITM College Dehradun, an institution with ultra-modern thinking but rooted deeply in Indian tradition, is celebrating Anand Ganesh Chaturthi, a day when Lord Ganesh is given an emotional favor with his immersion in holy waters. Chairman Shri Nishant Thapliyal and other staff members performed the customary puja before the ritual. The idol would be immersed in holy water at famous Tapkeshwar temple in the town. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.